Ladies and gentlemen, today we explore the old 1980s Ford warning chime. Let's get into it. Alright, so I got this box from a 1988 Ford Ranger truck today at the junkyard. It's a Motorcraft. Part number is E6AB10D840A2A. And I guess it was manufactured in Rochester, Michigan. And as you guys can see, this box functions. Quietly, but it works. I did get it loud at one point, but it went quiet again, so I don't know, it could just be from age. But in today's video, we are going to take this box apart and we're going to explore what the insides of this speaker box looks like. So let's not waste any more time, guys. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so the first thing you're going to want to do to disassemble this sounder box is just simply unplug it. So now, as you can see, the wiring harness is now unplugged, and here's your box without the plug in it. Taking this thing apart is very, very easy, guys. So all you need to do, see these two little teeth looking things right here, kind of look like underbites. You just kind of grab one, pop it, grab two, pop it, then you should be welcomed to this little chip motherboard guy here. So this is what the inside of the box looks like initially before you disassemble it further. So without further ado, let's go ahead and just stick your finger here, pop it, and then here is your little copper solenoid and all your little gadgets in here. So here's what the insides looks like that powers your speaker. Here is the speaker. So you're looking at it and you're thinking, wow, it looks like it's a pretty good sized speaker, right? Well, that's where you guys are mistaken. This is a very, very small speaker. If anything, I'm surprised it's even like an existing speaker. So what we want to do is got our little flathead screwdriver, and you guys will see in here there's four little corners where these holes are. You just kind of stick your screwdriver in here like this and just kind of start carefully popping them out without breaking the little circular frame there. So here we go. I'm just gonna go ahead and pop it. See, now this half popped out. So now we do the other half. So just stick your screwdriver in there. Just kind of slowly wiggle it out like that. And now it's super easy when you get all three out, because now you just go this and just kind of pull it carefully, and there's your little ring that you get out, and now you're left with the speaker. Now you guys are not going to believe how small this speaker is. I don't even know if I would even consider it as an actual speaker, honestly. This is very primitive technology, but here is your speaker. This is what you hear when you start your old classic Ford vehicle. That's right, this little metal disc looking thing, this is the speaker that you hear when you put your keys in the car and you start it. Well, it's kind of funny. I freaking nearly shat my pants when I saw this. I'm sure some of you guys that are watching this now probably already knew this was the speaker. But when there's people like me that's, you know, never messed with this kind of thing before, because this technology is literally 10 years older than me. Like, this was before even my time. So I didn't have it the slightest clue. So I'm going to do something fun for you guys before I go. I'm not gonna make you guys watch me put this thing back together, but I do want to do something a little bit fun. So we are gonna try to make this speaker go off without the box. So you just gotta sit that up there, plug it in, Oh, if it's turned correctly. Okay, maybe we should just plug it in first. Alright, we plug it in. Bam! There we go. And now you want to make sure this bracket is in there, because this goes out in the middle of this solenoid, and that's what makes your sounder go off. So we're going to just put it back in here like so. We are going to put these two wires off to the side. Get everything, you know, kind of out of the way here. And now we're going to sit right here. Oh, alright, we're going to sit right here. Here's what I'm going to do. Alright, now we're going to put the speaker just back on its little thing there. Now, there's no guarantee that this is going to work. I'm just doing this for fun. I know the speaker works when it's complete and assembled in its box, but you guys know me. I love tinkering with this old primitive technology from back in the days from way back when. So now we're going to turn our Noco Genius box on. So this is not sponsored by Noco, so please don't think this is sponsored. I'm just saying this is my Noco starter friend here. So yeah, I love this thing. This thing has jumped so many times. So it's jumped so many cars, and it just keeps going. All right, so now we're going to connect our negative cable, and now our positive cable. This is going to be very interesting. Make sure it's straight up on there. And now, in the count of 3, we're going to hold down this button, and we're going to see what happens. Are you ready, guys? All right, I know I'm ready. 1, 2, 3. Aw, dang, man. Well, it was worth a shot. Now we're going to just put it back together real quick, and I'll show you guys the outcome. So I can show you guys that this still works and it can literally just fuck everything up. Alright, let's get some of these wires out the way. Now we're going to hook them up again. As you can see, completely reassembled. Make sure our wires are good together. Connect our negative, our positive. Okay. Turn our booster pack on. And then give it life. So it's very faint, guys, but it's working. Alright. Please like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see y'all next time, guys.